This is in response to a comment that's been left on my backup account. All right, surely this could be taken to the federal court. Australia signed the UN Treaty on Economic, Social, Cultural, Human Rights. This clearly breaches it. Yes, it does. It breaches Article 9 as well. You know, the right to social security, your social and cultural human rights, rights of the child. It breaches about 7 of the covenants under the UN Human Rights Charter. It also breaches ASIC law regarding Australian consumer law, B12, and your consumer rights regarding indue and its stakeholder companies and businesses affiliated to it. Breaches your privacy rights. They've gone around and exempted people from the protections of payments law, which is in Commonwealth Law Act, Social Security 1991-1999. So it does breach, and the UN has come out and slammed Australia about the policy. Philip Ashton, the previous UN special rapporteur, visited the Northern Territory and made various statements against cashless debit card and the basics card, and the UN have let Australia know that this is not on. It's disgusting. Okay, but what can we do? Vote the LNP and One Nation and all the right-wing parties out. They're the ones that are supporting this. AUP, Craig Kelly, Pauline Hanson, all of those type of thinkers, right? They all voted for all of this, you know what I mean? So UAP was Palmer United Party, and Jackie Lambie was Clive Palmer's senator at the time when Clive Palmer was in Parliament last time, and she voted to start it off. Since becoming independent, Jackie has now changed her vote and voted against the card and voted to stop it in December. Unfortunately, Centre Alliance did a deal with the LNP and let it get through. Okay, so, but it does breach human rights, legal protections at law, and at the moment, the population in this country are oblivious to it, don't care about it, right? While they're out on the streets screaming for their freedoms and their human rights, or their perceived human rights, there's 15,000 people at the moment on cashless debit cards, and there's nearly 30,000 people on basics card around the countries that have had their rights stripped. That's 45,000 Australian citizens, and the amount goes up every month as more and more people end up on centrelink.